This significant game-changing strategy is the Alternative Development Program, an initiative fully aligned with the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Order of the Federal Republic. Alternative development, in a nutshell, is about giving illicit cannabis growers an alternative source of legitimate income through the growing of licit crops like cassava, maize, cowpeas, cocoa, vegetables, and so on, coupled with other interventions that would lead to their achieving sustainable livelihoods and economic empowerment. It is against this backdrop that the NDLEA, with strong support from the federal government and our international partners, has adopted alternative development as a core pillar of our drug control efforts. I am pleased to inform you that last week, between 26th and 28th January 2026, I personally led the NDLEA to successfully launch the Alternative Development Pilot Project in 3 communities in Ondo State. That is Iluabo and Eleyewo, both in Akure North local government area, and Ifon in Oshe local government area. Please note that we have been engaging these communities for over 1 year. I did not just stick up and head out there. We had been engaging with the communities at least 4 times. My team, my AD team, Alternative Development Team, has visited those communities and interacted and engaged with them. And I myself have met with representatives of the community at least once here in this headquarters.